Earn money for new projects. Just take a look at this 3060 UV printer in our video. You can easily process products in small quantities. Almost all materials can be printed. Advertising logo, badge sign, packing box, PVC, PP, ABS, EPU, wood, leather, PU, tile, glass, foam case, pen, paper, etc. Printing area of 330 by 600 millimeters. Printing adopting inkjet UV curing technology. Let's have a look at more print details. The ink color has same class W class varnish. Look how vivid color and clear glossy surface. Experience the perfect combination of high quality printing and vivid color. Presenting your airy idea perfectly.